Originally opened in 1884, the Castlemaine and Maldon Railway was one of many pioneering railways at that time, and it served the people of Maldon and surrounding districts for 92 years until the closure of the line in 1976. The Castlemaine and Maldon Railway Preservation Society is made up of a team of volunteer workers, and the president of that team is Peter Whaley. Well, Peter, just what's involved in opening a railway that's been closed for 10 years?
Well, it's an incredible amount of work, Sue. There's many things to do, and the main thing is to obtain locos and rolling stock and restore them. And the society started in 1976, and it took us 3 years to get our first locos, and we now have 4 of them. Getting them was bad enough, but now we have them. Of course, we have to restore them, and that's even 160 here has taken us 4 years to do. So it's certainly a long job.
And Peter, what sort of a condition was the building in as well as the train?
Well, everything after many years of neglect, Sue. It was many years since they'd been used. The B line closed the Castlemaine to Maldon branch line down in 1976, and before that it worked very, very limited use it had, everything. It was really run down. We're working on the station buildings and all the surrounds now, and we'll eventually get it back to first-class condition. It's going to take a long time.
Peter, can you tell us a bit about steam trains? You're calling this one K160.
Yes, Sue. The K indicates the class of locomotive, steam locomotive that it is. The 160 is its serial number, and every locomotive that you'll see, be it diesel or steam, has a different number. It's purely identification. 160 was built in Newport in the mid-1940s, and it's had a long and very difficult life. They will work very hard, and they're quite unique things. If you look along, when you look up this end, you'll see the water tender, where we store the water for the boiler. And a little bit further along behind the driver and fireman, you'll see the coal tender, where we store the coal. Now, you'll see Steve later firing and Andrew driving. Steve has to work very hard to make sure that there's water in the boiler all the time.
Is that how a steam train runs?
A steam train runs by converting water into steam, and it's generating power as it does it.
Volunteers worked for what must have seemed like endless hours to get K160 back into top running condition. Last-minute touches to the track, new glass in the booking office windows, tickets organised, date stamps set right, carriages painted, water supply for the engine enclosure, and countless jobs all needed to get the train moving.
I drive the engine, do all the braking, stopping it, and all this sort of thing. As well as that, I'm responsible for the vehicles, making sure they're mechanically okay, and that everything's working all right.
Now that things are full steam ahead here, the Castlemaine and Maldon Railway serves as a reminder of our golden past. And I'm sure that the memories of quite a few Maldon residents have turned back a few years when they hear the steam train whistle. Not to mention some newfound railway enthusiasts.